Hello and welcome to our Idiom in a Minute course. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about a funny idiom. Cat got your tongue. What does it mean? Someone not speaking when you would expect them to be. For example, cat got his tongue when he found out they were having a baby. Quiz time. Complete the sentence. You're being very quiet. Your answer is splendid. Cat got your tongue. Question 2. You don't have anything to say? Your answer is cat got your tongue. Splendid. Let's recap. Cat got your tongue means unable to speak. Until next time, happy learning.